Packing. Kate is preparing to move back to her home country and is packing up the last items in her apartment. Darren is helping her.
Do you need some help? I'm not sure if that will fit in your suitcase.
I might need a hand. I really want to bring this back with me, so I'll have to find a way to make it fit.
I think we should try to take it apart if possible. Does this part come off?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Is there anything else you're leaving behind? We need to make the most of the space you have.
I'm trying to pack as lightly as possible. I sure collected a lot during my time here, and I won't actually need most of it.
Plus, you can always buy what you need when you get back home.
Yeah, I already gave away a lot of my clothes, so there can be more space for other things.
That's good. What is the weight limit for checked baggage anyway?
I have 3 suitcases, and each one has a 30 kg limit.
You have so many books in this suitcase.
I know, but I can't bear to leave them behind. I've learned so much from them.
I think what you really need to learn is how to pack lightly.